Welcome to my channel. This is Beauty on the Go with Sherese. So today I'm going to show you guys how to wear your own ponytail, and I'm going to show you guys how to elongate your ponytail with no clip-ins, no glue-ins, no other hair added. It's going to be your own hair. Watch. It's going to be amazing and a simple thing to do. It only takes 5 minutes. Everything takes 5 minutes. It shouldn't take no longer than 5 minutes. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what to do. So make sure you like and subscribe so that way you can get more great videos. So Beauty on the Go with Sherese. Let's go. I'm going to show you how my hair look in a regular ponytail before I elongate it. So this is the look, the first look. And then I'm going to show you how it is when I elongate it. You'll see the difference. The difference is I'll have more layering when it's elongated. You'll see. Watch me work. Now pay close attention on how I part. I'm going to part in 3 sections. So I'm going to have a section of it out at the top. I'm going to part it in like a midsection and then part it on both sides. And then after, I'm going to clip that and set that to the side. How to make sure my part is right. Well, it don't have to be perfect. So I'm going to section that off. Just like that. So once I set that aside, I'm going to go to the back and I'm going to comb my hair out really good. I straightened it so that way it can, appear to be long. And you can do curly clip-ins or straight clip-ins in the hair if you like. But this time I'm using my own hair and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So I'm going to start from the middle and I'm going to do like a V part all the way to the nape area. And I'm going to section it off just like that. And then I'm going to go to the other side and do the same thing. I'm going to do a parting all the way down to the nape area like a V shape. Then I'm going to section this part off too. So here's how the pattern is. You got the sides, both sides, and then you got the middle, and then you got the top. This is the pattern of how you're going to elongate your hair. So we're going to clip the middle, get that out the way, and then I'm going to start working on the front. And then I'm going to combine it all, and you'll see the elongated results. Watch me work. Oh, and don't forget about the baby hairs. So we're going to swoop those right into the ponytail. Oh, and don't forget about the Echo Gel, y'all. This stuff is great. So I'm going to put some on my sides, my edges, so that way everything can stay up and nice and tight in a ponytail. Watch me work. So as you can see, I'm trying to gather all my hair so it can be in a tight ponytail at the top. I'm trying to make sure that the middle part doesn't get into this ponytail because that's going to be the part that's going to elongate. So watch me work. I'm going to use this rubber band and I'm going to make a tight ponytail just like this. After I put the ponytail in, I'm going to take the clip out, and what I'm going to do next is comb it down, just the middle part. Comb it down and see how it gets long. The ponytail has layering in it, so you can curl it. You can do whatever you want with it. And you can always wear this style to the grocery store. You can wear it to the gym, especially if your ponytail is not as long as you want it. Honey, you can make it long just like that. Look how she moves. Look how free she looks. Yes, yes.